YouTube? I'm back and oily. Back again with another video, a new video. I have not done one of these videos yet on my channel, but you see the detail. You know what I'm saying? Peep the detail. Oh, day. We got inches, boo. We got, you feel me, mobility. We got definition. We got I am moisturized. Is on the one folk, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Nah, but make sure that you hit that subscribe button down there. Make sure that you like this video just because this is a new side of mine that y'all have not seen. So I'm starting this now. I'm 3.5 years, natural, no heat, no nothing. You know what I'm saying? Straight me, straight roots. I have 4C hair. I've got my hair braided twice. I had one like big twist and that's it. You know what I'm saying? I ain't hit a salon, I ain't hit an ins trip, I ain't hit nothing. Comment down below if you guys want to see other hair videos. I'm gonna do some other I have in mind, but if you want to see something specifically, let me know in the comment section down below. I'm going to start from twist. I treat my hair like dreads because the hair is so thick that it is low-key. I didn't part it or care too much about parting this time. I only really go crazy on parts when I do it straight from a wash or condition session. But as you can see, this is already tried to dread together. I'm like, sis, chill out. And now I'm just trying to separate the hair so it's less tangled. And this is water and like an oily moisturizing solution. I will not be disclosing specific information because I've learned my hair for one and I know what works for me, but also nobody sent me a check yet. So if you are a hair company and you want me to sponsor your product and it works and I'll rock with it, holla at me. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna lose some things in life, you know what I'm saying? You gotta be willing to let go, especially if they not trying to hold on. You know what I'm saying? They really not rocking with you like you think they rocking with you. It's like, nah, I sound mad hurt. But you don't have to worry about preserving each individual hair. Just focus on the hair that you have left. I'm holding the roots, so you know what I'm saying, you can't lose your edges, sis. Like, you gotta be careful. You gotta be careful. Then I have a moisturizing cream. I use like deep treatment mask, leave-in conditioner on occasion, or some type of daily moisturizer. Just something that will stay in my hair but isn't too like thick and like heavy on my hair. Gotta get the roots, and I go crazy on the ends. Now I used to have a front line. As you see, I cut my own hair, so you see these little fuzzies here and there. I'm letting that grow back now, which is why you see these hairs not damaged, I promise. It is what it is at this point, folks. And I just section off a piece to make 2 even parts, and I'm always pulling from the root. My hair is extremely thick, but it is also extremely coily. Therefore, I'm trying to stretch it out as much as I can. And what I learned is you always take the back peak, so whichever is farther to the back of your head, and you twist it towards the middle. That way, all these, you feel me, I twist it this way, and it's going to automatically abide to this side of my hair. This side is going to abide to that side of my hair. So the back piece goes to the middle. And I'm very, very tight on this twist. Boom. You know? Did y'all see that? Boom. You know what I'm saying? I'm twisting them this way, also around each other. So it's a stretch this out. And I'm like pulling them like shoestring. This is how you get the more defined look. This is how you get actual curl patterns and repetition between those. This is how you do it. You're just pulling literally. You know what I'm saying? And once it gets towards the end, I just twist it all the way down, holding it here because I know this part and up is solid. This part is just there. So you can see, you know what I'm saying, sis got inches. You know what I'm saying? Don't play with me. But the way my shrinkage set up, this gonna be here tomorrow on me. Like, I'll show you how to stretch them in another video. So I'll do that one later. But then I have the other portion of that big twist. So these ones I'm kind of just, you know, I'm not really worried about parts right now. I always do what works for you. These are just tidbits. If you find something that works for you, go ahead, sis. You know what I'm saying? Be great. But as you can see, This is rusty and dusty. The way my hair set up, it soaks all the moisturizer. And I found me a little boo bop. So we've been on FaceTime, falling asleep. I didn't wrap my hair, so it's all over the place, to be honest. I'm not gonna disclose the brand, but this is like a simple detangling brush. Some people call it a white girl brush, some people call it a weave brush. Whatever works for your fancy, you know what I'm saying? It's just these pricklies without the balls on the end, you know what I'm saying? They're straight through, so you do what you gotta do, okay? Getting the roots, pulling that down, spraying a little bit on the ends. One. Let them go, bro. They just, you know what I'm saying, they mess up your whole vibe. Just let them go. It's okay to let them go, I promise. I promise. Ooh, be patient with your hair. Be very patient with it. It know what it want to do. You can't force it sometimes, so. What happened here? Oh, they was trying to dread, sis. You gotta chill. You gotta chill. The reason I'm not locking my hair due to how thick it is and how many people want me to lock it, I am honestly scared. Personally, I like my fro, I like my puff, I like my curls too much to let those go. I also like changing my hairstyles a lot. I feel like dreads have a lot of versatility, but also you can be confined to so many styles, and it might be a challenge for me, honestly. But right now, in the past 3 years, I have not went to a salon at all. And with locks, it's like, if you don't redo them, your hair gonna look trash. You can't just throw it in a puff ball and be cool, you know what I'm saying? You can't just slick the edges and be out there vibing. You gotta actually do that mug. Like, that's a whole commitment. But it's also like the challenge of finding different ways to, you know what I'm saying, wear your dreads and be who you feel you wanna be, but also being in a box of dreads, you know what I'm saying? I know it'll be different, you know what I'm saying? I got shave size and all that stuff, but it's just like, do I want to make that commitment at this length of growth? Because then if it's wraps, I either gotta comb it out and lose all my good nutrition, or I gotta stick to them hoes forever, or, you know what I'm saying, cut them out, start over again. But I cut my hair every 4 years, so it's like, this time I told myself I'm gonna see how long it can get. If I get fed up, I'm just gonna end up cutting it off, like, no cap. That's how it be. And this is how you get the best end result. If you see the twists are either puffy at the end or they have like bulges in them, it's either the hair isn't fully detangled or the person lost the strength in the twist. So I'm pulling, not pulling your hair out now. For me, just a little bit of pressure to keep everything where you want it to be. And you're twisting here, boom, and around. So it's twisting. I basically are twisting these like this and then twisting them around. You know what I'm saying? Just boom. And it is important that you go all the way to the end, or else you're losing all this tightness and hard work that you put in already. So as you can see, I literally have to go all the way to the end. This part feels so unnecessary, but this is a pivotal piece in securing the twists, securing that pattern, and also securing the moisture. And the longer my hair get, bro, the more fed up I get with doing it. Honestly, truthfully, because it's like, these take forever. So that's one of these. I got 3 more left. I'm gonna get to them and I'm gonna get back with y'all in a second. Surrender. You won't lose. I'm fighting for you. But if you like this video, it's just appreciation, you know what I'm saying? It helps spread the word, spread the knowledge, spread the goofy.
Oh, hell, if they don't like it, I might turn up by myself.
Oh, dang, can I get a thummy? Can I get a thummy from the wall?